Welcome to Vidyaantra Mantra of Learning. Hello little learners, are you struggling in reading? We will help you in reading with the help of phonics. Come learners, let's get started.
A is for animal, a, animal. B is for bell, b, b, bell. C is for car, c, c, car. D is for dog, d, d, dog. E is for elephant, a, elephant. F is for fox, f, f, fox. G is for goat, g, g, goat. H is for hat, h, h, hat. I is for igloo, I, I, igloo. J is for jellyfish, j, j, jellyfish. K is for kangaroo, k, k, kangaroo. L is for lion, l, l, lion. M is for monkey, m, m, monkey. N is for nails, n, n, nails. O is for orange, o, o, orange.
P is for parrot, p, p, parrot. Q is for quail, p, p, quail. R is for rose, r, r, rose. S is for sun, s, s, sun. T is for tiger, t, t, tiger. U is for umbrella, a, umbrella. V is for van, v, v, van. W is for watch, w, w, watch. X is for box, x, x, box. Y is for yak, y, y, yak. Z is for zoo, z, z, zoo. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.